Hello everybody, welcome to our channel Talking Babies. Today I will teach you salt painting.
Okay, Naya. So can you tell us the ingredients we need for our salt painting?
Brush,
Okay.
Fevicol,
Okay.
3 colors,
Okay.
and
So it's
salt.
any 3 colors? Okay. Any 3 colors? Then
And salt.
salt. And we need a sheet of paper, right? Okay. So let's start.
To make a design,
On this sheet of paper using Fevicol. Okay. So come on. Any design you can make. So come on, Inaya. Make a good design. It's a freehand painting. You can make any design you want. The child can just explore his ideas and make any design he likes. Okay, so as you can see, Inaya has made this design on a piece of paper using Fevicol. You cannot use glue. You need to use a Fevicol for salt painting. Right, Inaya? Okay, so what next? What do we do next?
salt.
Okay, so you need to put salt on Fevicol. Okay, let's do that. So I have given salt in a plate so that Inaya can take a lot of salt at one time and put on the Fevicol. You need to put it very nicely, and then you can reuse the salt for painting multiple times. Okay, Inaya, you can start. Yes. So child can take it and yes, put it all over. Yes, very good. It's very important to cover the Fevicol very nicely, then only the magic will happen. So it's a salt painting with a magical effect. So for the magic to happen, you need to put salt very nicely on the Fevicol. So now as you can see, our full Fevicol is covered with salt. So this is the kind of thing you need to do. Dab out all the extra salt that you had back to the plate, and now the painting is ready for some magical effect. So for that we need our 3 colors now, right, Inaya? Let's bring your colors.
You remember your paint is watery.
Oh, okay. So fine. So Inaya says that you should remember that your paint should be watery. If you see these paints, all of these are very watery. For the magic to happen, your paint should be very watery. Now let's show you the magic. So Inaya will take the paint in her brush. Okay, very good. Now Inaya, show us the magic. Just keep it at one place. Yes, and it goes. Yes, this is the magic. See, the child needs to just put the paint at one particular place और paint अपने आप फैलता है. So it looks very, very beautiful and children really love it. तो different जगहों पे आप dab कर सकते हो. फिर once you have finished with one color, you can start doing it with another color. So let's see how Inaya makes it. But the basic aim is to make it colorful. जितना colorful बनाओगे उतना सुंदर लगेगा. And second चीज़ is कि बच्चे जो है they will really enjoy कि जब वो just dab करेंगे color को और वो जो color फैलता है ना, वो बच्चों को बहुत अच्छा लगता है. So that is something that kids will really enjoy. They can make, इतने occasions आते हैं. We are not going outside. We are not celebrating outside. So at least, the kids can do these things and अपने आप को busy रख सकते हैं. So that is the whole point.
Friends, I hope you do at your home.
Okay, yes. So your friends will surely do this at their home. So friends, all Inaya's friends, please try this at home, and I hope that you will become as happy as Inaya is when she is doing this. Right, Inu? Okay, so say bye to everybody. Bye. If you like our painting, then do like this video, do subscribe to our channel and enjoy this happy world of parenting. Docket Baby rocks. Bye bye. And Inaya, nowadays ma'am says how you do bye bye. Oh, you're doing a smiley bye. Bye.